Check out this Fendt 942 Vario. This beast is paired with a Gens HEM583 wood chipper, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The Vario's got the muscle to handle any terrain, and the HEM583 can chew through massive logs like they're twigs. This combo is all about efficiency and power, maximizing productivity for any forestry operation. The saying, "It's the tree that decides how it falls," always holds true. Whoa, check out how they handle those branches. It's not as easy as it looks. See how the climber adjusts to the helicopter's movement? That's crucial with those big machines and unpredictable winds. Safety first, and watch that smooth exit when the load drops. Textbook. Whoa, check out this beastly Cat 349F in action. That 61-inch bucket is insane. But hold up, no thumb? How are they going to handle those massive stumps? This is wild. Smash that like button and subscribe for more epic construction content. The moment I saw that face cut, I knew exactly what was going to happen. Glad no one got hurt. Sydney's about to get a whole lot cleaner thanks to this Vermeer BC 2100 XL. Watch as it takes down this massive gum tree in seconds. Oh my gosh. Come on, folks, let's check out this wood production line. Those logs are flying through that saw. Talk about a wild ride. And look how smoothly they glide along that conveyor belt, getting prepped and primed to become something amazing. It's like watching raw potential transform before our eyes.
What we doing, the big boy?
Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Grind knowledge coming together, baby.
You see that tractor over there? Man, those tires are huge. They gotta be, though, to get a grip on that bumpy ground. Imagine trying to haul all that timber without them. You'd be slipping and sliding all over the place. Whoa! Felling a leaning giant like that is a real process, isn't it? I once saw a tree leaning for 30 years, just wondering who'd be brave enough to take it down. Then an awesome crew shows up, smiles all around, and they just handle it like it's nothing. The image is forever etched in my mind. Felling a tree is a serious undertaking. It's not just about grabbing a saw and going to town. A meticulous approach is crucial, with each step carefully planned and executed.
Here it comes.
Now this is impressive. The Valmet 921. You're looking at a Cummins engine, capable of handling 21.5 tons. This isn't just about brute force, though. We're talking cutting-edge control systems designed for maximum efficiency and minimal environmental impact. In the world of forestry, this is as advanced as it gets. This will definitely impress you and scare you a little bit. This is the Easton-made 48C. Forget those wimpy splitters. This beast has a blade that could cut through steel. Okay, maybe not steel, but you get the idea. Logs go in, firewood comes out, bam! It's that simple. Don't be the last one on the block with this bad boy. It's remarkable to witness the dedication of these alpine farmers. They maintain a traditional approach, utilizing equipment that harkens back to a bygone era. Their self-sufficiency is truly admirable, with no reliance on outsourced labor. It's a testament to their strong work ethic and deep connection to the land. Check out this beast. The Bandit 2550T is a wood chipper's dream. That 49 horsepower Kohler engine sounds amazing, and those teeth? Forget about it. They shred through wood like nobody's business. Yeah, it's got a hefty price tag at $34,950, but you're getting what you pay for: pure power and performance. This machine is an absolute game changer. I think the crane operator owes this guy a huge apology. Envision this: a fully loaded logging truck careening down a steep mountain grade. The air fills with a thick, swirling dust cloud, obscuring the scene in a chaotic, almost cinematic display of raw power and impending danger. We all know time is money, right? Greetings, timber enthusiasts. Today, we're celebrating the hardworking machines that bring us the wood we use every day. From felling trees to transporting logs, we're exploring the entire process. Get ready for an exciting look at the world of forestry equipment. Witnessing true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable. Working on an incline adds significant physical challenges and makes accurate cuts more difficult, yet he navigates these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement.
There she goes. There she goes.
Years may pass, but his skills? Still sharp as ever. He's living proof that experience is king. And you know what? I'm totally here for it. The John Deere 959 KII Feller Buncher, when equipped with the Quadco 28C hot saw head, demonstrates a significant increase in felling efficiency. The 959 KII's high tractive effort and maneuverability, combined with the 28C's rapid cutting cycle, result in optimized timber harvesting, particularly in stands with large diameter trees. This translates to increased productivity and reduced operational costs. What's the biggest challenge in land clearing? Huge tree stumps. This excavator tackles them head-on with its unique screw shaft. The result? Firewood, not waste. Plus, you save time and money on every job. That's why you need the Vermeer WC2500TX. This chipper is all about maximizing your productivity. With a 600 horsepower engine and compact design, you can clear land faster than ever before. The smart crush system and variable speed infeed keep things moving smoothly, no matter the job. Plus, it's designed for easy maintenance, so you can spend less time wrenching and more time working. Very cool, huh? This is really impressive. But to be honest, I'm quite concerned about the machinery of this Franklin. This is a video of a stump harvesting operation in Finland. And you guys are probably finding this equipment as fascinating as I am, right? Risky stuff, but someone's got to do it. Transporting timber through the dense forests of Belgium presents unique challenges. However, the HSM 208 tractor offers a seamless solution. Its robust design, featuring a powerful chassis and large wheels, ensures effortless movement across challenging terrain. The result? Efficient and effective timber extraction. Drama, action, excitement. This operator is taking on those stubborn stumps with the mighty Carlton 7015 TRX. Will they conquer the yard, or will the stumps fight back? Stay tuned to find out. It's tough to say if they know what they're doing or not.
Here we go. Coming down. Coming down. This guy here.
Let's talk truck unloading. This machine is all about getting the job done quickly, grabbing the whole load at once. And the best part? It's got a ton of gripper options, so you can customize it for any kind of package. Boom! I know what you're thinking. No way those horses can do that. But guess what? They did. This amazing video proves that sometimes reality is more incredible than we can imagine. Whoa, that's one massive dug fir. 7 feet across, huh? Sadly, advanced decay's taken hold, but the base might still harbor some usable timber. Heavy conch growth and rot halfway up. Nature's reclaiming it, but hey, it went out with a bang. Now that's what I call getting down to business. This bad boy makes mincemeat of those stumps. Effortless, efficient, and oh so satisfying to watch. If you've got land to clear, this is your new best friend. Wow, talk about a blast from the past. Submerging those logs is ingenious, minimizes decay and keeps pests away. This is authentic lumber production, folks. The aroma of fresh-cut timber, the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, witnessing those colossal logs meet the saw. It's a symphony of traditional craftsmanship. Hull Oaks is a living testament to a bygone era of lumber production. It's remarkable to witness a mill like this still in operation, and those guys are clearly masters of their craft. This is where the legendary loggers work, and this is the machinery they use to get the job done. Whoa, check out this beast of a machine. This Volvo loader can lift a whopping 19 tons. And lucky for them, they've got a skilled driver who's going to make this unload look easy. Stay tuned to see this heavy-duty action. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
La madre se está volviendo. Sí. Miguel, regresémonos, Miguel.
The world of machines is truly vast and fascinating, isn't it? We hope you had an informative and enjoyable time exploring it with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned for our upcoming videos.